That's Casey Benjamin on sax and vocal. That's Mark Kohlenberg on the drums. On the bass, who has an album coming out in January on Blue Note Records. January, Blue Note Records.
Blue Note. Woo!
Derek Hodge on the bass. Y'all should check his new single. His single's out. It actually got bootlegs, so it's on YouTube. Fuck it. Yes. It's called Live Today. Derek Hodge, Live Today. It features myself and Common. So make sure y'all check it out. You can go to YouTube, check it out. Live Today, Derek Hodge. On the bass.
What happened to the dance with the girl?
On the sexy dances. Muscles. And overall, just total sexiness. Robert Glasper.
Music stop.
Why'd the sound go bad when I said sexy? Sound went bad? The sound went bad when I said sexy. I don't know. No? Okay. For the ladies, I think there's an after party at Lowe's, at the hotel, Lowe's Hotel, somewhere in the lobby. There's an after party. I think that's what I heard. Anyway, we really thank you guys for coming out. Really appreciate it. Get Black Radio if you don't have it. Black Radio is our record, which features Erykah Badu, Layla Hathaway, Lettucey, Michelle Ndegocello, Chrisette Michelle, Bilal, Stokely, Mos Def, Lupe Fiasco, King, a bunch of motherfuckers on that shit. So,
Yeah.
everybody, thank you so much for coming out. Really appreciate it. Thank you.